how do you get people to overcome their fear? There are lots of techniques na pwede mong malaman, mabasa, marinig, kung paano you overcome yung fear. Pero the best thing that I can think of is what we call exposure. Natatakot ka sa isang bagay. Natatakot kang gawin yung bagay na yun or maranasan yung bagay na yun. Dahil feeling mo hindi mo kakayanin. Feeling mo mahihirapan ka. Yes, it may be the case, but imagine kung ikaw ay may expose dun sa bagay na takot ka, you will not fear it more. You will be braver and braver and braver. Bakit? Kasi the more you experience that thing that you fear, the more your body will react to it, saying, I have to overcome this. And it will find a way to overcome the fear that you are feeling. Maraming beses sa atin, iniisip natin na natatakot tayo sa isang bagay kasi hindi tayo sure kung ano yung mangyayari o kung kakayanin ba natin. But the more you are exposed to it, doon mo marirealize, kaya ko naman pala. From time to time, marirealize mo na, kaya ko naman pala. Nakaya ko nung una. Kakayanan ko ulit ngayon. Diba? Kadalasan ang pinakamahirap na i-overcome yung first time or first experience mo dun sa fear na meron ka. But the more you expose yourself to it, voluntarily adapting, no? It will help you to overcome the fear that you have. Kaya nga kapag meron kang takot, dapat subukan mo na i-overcome yung bagay na yun. I-expose mo yung sarili mo kung saan mararamdaman mo yung takot na yun. To the point na mas pipiliin ng katawan mo, mas pipiliin ng isip mo, mas pipiliin ng puso mo to overcome that fear at hindi magpatalo mo. Again, the Lord has not given us the spirit of fear. No? Hindi yan mula sa Diyos. Kaya nga dapat, hindi natin yan nararamdaman. Alam nyo, maraming mga taong successful na yung mga bagay na na-overcome nila, most of those things ay naging fear nila. Pero the more they expose themselves to it, the more na na-realize nila, it's just in the mind. Yung takot nasa isip lang yan. Kapag nandun ka na sa sitwasyon, you will find ways. You will find that light kung saan yun yung magiging way mo para i-overcome yung takot na nararamdaman mo, yung dilim na nakikita mo. So, kung tayo gusto natin na maging fearless, we need to overcome our fears. We need to voluntarily expose ourselves and adapt. And that way, our fears will be erased, will be gone, and we will be called fearless.